Hello and welcome to Super.Speak.Juniors. In this video we'll be learning some longer phrases. We'll be linking up new words with words that we have already learnt in previous videos. We hope you enjoy it. Did you know that there is not just one way to speak Chinese? In fact, there are hundreds of ways to speak Chinese, and the different ways are called dialects. Cantonese is one type of Chinese dialect. The most common type of dialect is called Mandarin. Whilst there are hundreds of ways to speak Chinese, there is just one way to write it. This means people who speak all different types of Chinese dialects can read the same book, newspaper, or even website and understand it. I'm now going to give you some examples of Chinese words and phrases where the spoken Cantonese is different to the way that we write it. See if you can spot the difference. Yes in spoken Cantonese.
係
Yes in written Chinese.
是
No in spoken Cantonese.
唔係
No in written Chinese.
不是
One day in spoken Cantonese.
一日
One day in written Chinese.
一天
2 days in spoken Cantonese.
兩日
2 days in written Chinese.
兩天
6 days in spoken Cantonese.
六日
6 days in written Chinese.
六天
Today in spoken Cantonese.
今日
Today in written Chinese.
今天
Yesterday in spoken Cantonese.
琴日
Yesterday in written Chinese.
昨天
Tomorrow in spoken Cantonese.
聽日
Tomorrow in written Chinese.
明天
Today is Monday in spoken Cantonese.
今日係星期一
Today is Monday in written Chinese.
今天是星期一
Today is Tuesday in spoken Cantonese.
今日係星期二
Today is Tuesday in written Chinese.
今天是星期二
Tomorrow it will be July in spoken Cantonese.
聽日就係7月
Tomorrow it will be July in written Chinese.
明天就是7月
Thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, why not check out our website www.Super.Speak.Juniors.com. Bye!